When this plane came to a landing, it suddenly began having trouble doing so. As the plane attempted to land, strong winds and drifting snow caused it to flip over. As it slid into the snow, a passenger managed to catch a different glimpse from inside the plane.
Everything, drop it! Come on! Don't take your video! That's going away!
No. Holy. Yo, I was just on this f***ing plane. Oh my god. Yo, I was just on this.
They managed to evacuate all 80 people about the flight, which was landing from Minneapolis. Though no one passed away, 18 people were injured, with one being in critical condition.